Hey guys, welcome back to the subsection of 8.1. So do remember that this is a session for troubleshooting your readiness prop. Just want to show you a little bit of complications here in the readiness prop. So now if you VI the Sterling FU file, which we have created for the fixed update, so you can see that over here we have the readiness port. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 8080 as a port number, even though the container is running on 80. Make this version 1 and make this version 1 as well. So I want to show you what happens when we try to start it. So now the readiness probe should actually stop us from getting ready because we don't have 8080 port running on the container. So let's see what happens. So let's just hit the apply button over here. So just it's going to apply this particular YAML file. And you can see that deployment is created. Now it is showing the status called running. So let's just do kubectl describe pods and then just put the pod name over here. So now it is not ready. You can see 0 out of 1, right? So it's been 19 seconds. So what is happening is that it is saying that warning, unhealthy, 5 seconds, 2x over 10 seconds. So 2 times it has scanned this, node, and it has now found something called 8080 port number connection refuse. So what it is doing is it is saying the ready is false and container ready is false. Why? Because you are getting this error or exception, and the readiness probe will never let it start as in to get ready without having this fixed. So this is what happens if you are having a wrong port number configured on your on your YAML file, or your application suddenly fails right while it is running. So this is what happens. So you can actually get to know about the issue when you actually check the events on your pod. So to check that, you can use the describe like how I did just now. So describe pod, and then you can put the pod name. Now I'm gonna delete this Sterling. I had this command executed multiple times, so that's why I have it on my memory. Not my memory, the computer memory. So just put Control R and then search for the reverse search. Then I pull up the command and then I delete it. So that's much easier. Now I'll edit this file again, the FU prod file. So now here, this time I will make sure that this is correct. I'll have this port number 80 working, so that's super cool. But I'll apply this. Okay, so now this is going to work fine. It's going to take a couple of 10 seconds, and then it's going to show us that it is ready because we have not made any mistake there. So yeah, you can see that it's getting ready now. So there you go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the YAML file again. So this time I'm going to give 8080 the wrong port number and then change this to version 2. Now this will be like an upgrade. So now if you make any mistake or if something happens as in the port number gets wrong or some issue happens, now we will see what exactly happens over here when you apply the upgrade. Now when you upgrade it, you can see that it's terminating and then it starts running. And then it will start again throwing exceptions when you see the describe pod. So you can see that it is like 10 seconds, but nothing has turned to ready state because you have deleted all the old ones and you have created new ones and the website is not working now. Even the version 1 is not coming on the website because there's nothing running here, right? And then when you see the description, you see that it's not connecting to 8080 port number because the readiness probe has failed. So that's basically meaning that your ready state is gone. So you don't see that ready state anymore. So this is a possible issue because this is what happens when you work with complex configurations on Kubernetes. So this is something you should be aware of. Thanks again for watching this video. You can obviously delete all these things before you proceed further. Thank you again for your support and your time. See you in the next video.